Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s and I will show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on the Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner. In it, Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends games, we need more than page 3. To change it, we tap there, and we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow included upgraded, confirm by understood, and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is working right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.